Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make custom thumbnails for your YouTube videos. I'm going to use Clip Studio Paint. This is made really easy. There's no, Photoshop skills you need or any photo editing or any editing skills. It's just super easy, so you can get your YouTube videos out there with a custom thumbnail. Anywho, so let's start a new project, and for the YouTube thumbnail size is 1280 by 720. Let's type that. I always like to do 300 resolution. Okay, so here's the size. And what I like to do is actually take screenshots of either my raw video or the video I produced for my YouTube channel. So that's it. Just quick and dirty, easy. Take a screenshot of the video you're producing or want to upload. So here I have one, really one of my World Zero gameplay from Roblox. Let's just play some random stuff. I'm going to pause it here. Take a quick screenshot. So you can take a print screen of your whole screen, which we don't want to do, but we want it the active screen, just a print screen of that. So you use Alt print screen. Let's do that. And I like to take my print screens or screenshots and put them in Paint. Paste that in Paint. So let's cut this, crop it. So cut, start anew, don't save. Okay, so this one I'm going to save to wherever, JPEG, put it on my desktop. And I'll just call it World Zero Screen. Save. So this is going to be the base of your custom thumbnail. You can pick, obviously pick the best screen to show everyone what your video is about. Let's minimize that. Okay, so here, go to File, Import Image. And find your image. There you go. Now all I usually do is just put text over this. Let's just type in World Zero. So this is where you can play around and customize the size, the color. Obviously this color is not gonna work. I'll make this super simple. I'm just gonna make it white. And then I'm gonna put an edge on here. So just red. Place it just up here. That's probably a bad color, but it's just... So this area right here of your little preview window, that's what I like to look at to see what your audience will see on YouTube when they have all the little videos on the side. So you want to make everything, your title, at least big enough for someone to look over and say, oh, it's World Zero video. I'm going to click on that. So you can add any text or anything you want, but for now we're just going to do something super simple. Just keep it at that. Let's see if it looks better somewhere else. No, I think it should be okay up top. that's pretty much it. Easy peasy. So you can save this particular file. Save. And let's have a folder on the desktop. So this is saved as your Clip Studio format. But to get the JPEG or PNG file, you have to export. Let's export to JPEG. And this JPEG or PNG, whatever you choose, will be, so when I upload, so when I export, I focus on the specific output size instead of ratio or any other option here, because you want your size to be pretty much the minimum or whatever the YouTube thumbnail size is supposed to be. So you want to specify output size and keep that. Okay. Let it process. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. So there you have it. It's a pretty simple way to make customized thumbnails for your YouTube video. Hopefully helps somebody. Thanks for joining. We'll see you soon.